In this video, I'll guide you through how to bold text in Jotform. If you're creating a form and want certain words or phrases to stand out, using bold text is a simple but powerful way to draw attention. We'll walk through the process step by step, starting from the Jotform homepage and ending with your text properly formatted so you can follow along even if you're completely new to the platform. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your forms. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in now. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all of your forms and projects. On the left side of the screen, click on the option that says All. This is usually located in the main navigation panel and shows you a list of all the forms associated with your account. If you have a lot of forms, you might want to quickly scan or use the search bar to find the one you want to edit. Next, select the form where you want to add bold text and click Edit Form. This opens the form builder, which is where you design and customize everything your users will see. Give it a moment to load, especially if your form has many fields or complex logic. Once the builder is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen again and click Add Element. This is the panel where you can add new fields, like form inputs, headings, and other content blocks. We're going to add a text element where you can write and format your content. In the list of available elements, start scrolling down until you see the option labeled Paragraph. This is the element you'll use to add and style regular text, including bold text. When you find it, click on Paragraph to add it to your form. It will usually appear in the main form area, either at the bottom or wherever your cursor was last active. Now that the paragraph element is on your form, hover over it and click the small pencil icon to edit. This opens the text editor for that element. The pencil icon is your signal that this area is editable and lets you change the content and formatting. With the editor open, click inside the text area and type the text you want to display on your form. This could be instructions, a section heading, or any information you want to emphasize. Don't worry too much about formatting yet, just get the wording exactly how you want it. Once your text is typed, use your mouse to highlight the specific words or sentences you want to make bold. Click and drag over the text, or use Shift and the arrow keys if you prefer keyboard selection. You'll see the selected text become shaded to show it's highlighted. Finally, look at the formatting toolbar that appears above the text editor and click the bold icon, usually represented by a capital B. As soon as you click it, the highlighted text will turn bold. You can repeat this process for any other parts of the text you want to emphasize. When you're happy with how it looks, simply click outside the element or use the Save option in the form builder to keep your changes. Now your Jotform includes clearly bolded text that stands out to your users.